All right, y'all, got the winch and the rollers installed, looking good. What up, y'all? This video is all about me and buying and selling car trailers. I'm hopping in Leroy. We getting in this truck. About to go ahead, the ABC title, go ahead and transfer my old title trailer into his name. And tomorrow, I should be going and get my new car hauler. Wait till y'all see that bad boy. $381 later, here we are. Alright, y'all, just got back from Harbor Freight and ABC Title. I killed two birds with one stone on the way there. I went ahead and put insurance on the Suburban. And check out this cool plate I got. I'm Cajun and I'm proud. 35. That's a cool little plate, y'all. But look, anyway, we got that new winch in the back of the truck, that Badland ZXR 12,000 pounder. I need to hurry up and load up a battery, my old winch, and the straps. I'm giving all that to Duhon. With this new car trailer, I want to start fresh. New straps, new winch, new everything. Later. All right, let's go run this load to Duhon right quick. I will say this 9,000 pound winch served me well, y'all. See you later. This ain't a goodbye. This is a see you later, buddy. Duhon, I'm stuck in your mulch. All right, y'all. Sunday morning, coming back to Duhe out the garage. We'll come wash it right quick. And we gonna get that new car trailer. Take a ride with me. Got the Duhe all washed up, getting ready to go change my shirt, and we off to go get that trailer. Backing out the driveway now. Gotta go stop and get gas first. All right, y'all, just filled up with gas, put $31 in it. Just talked to Oscar. Now I'm headed over there. Oh Lord, these bumps are bad, y'all. Aggravate me. But these roads are so bad, every time I hit a bump, I'm waiting for my hood to fly up. I better not jinx myself. Got the trailer hooked up to that dually, looking sexy. Look, if y'all need a trailer, hit up Evan at Circle All Trailers. There's the number in Gonzales, Louisiana. Ooh. Let's go ahead and get this rig home, y'all. We'll put that winch on there.
Yeah, man, I mean, we have access.
Got the trailer hooked up, y'all. Headed back to the house. Gonna give y'all a little bit better walk around. See about installing that winch. I might install it tomorrow though, so I can get me some grade 8 bolts to throw through there. I don't know. I'm gonna unbox that winch though. Then I gotta get back on that El Camino. Y'all like the trailer? All right, y'all. Back home with the trailer. Let's go ahead and open up the winch. Let's see what we got. Got us some wires, the hook, a scrap, my controller. I think I'm gonna buy a wireless controller, yeah. Oh, the best part is zip tie, wee. Oh, all right, it comes with this. I thought I was gonna have to go buy something. All right, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this whole thing. All right. So we got our whatchamadinkey. We got this here. I gotta mount this on my trailer. And we got the beast of the unit, vascularity. Go on, damn it. All right, put this back, close that, wieners. Put that right there for all good and sexy. All right, let me go ahead and get this stuff off of there. All right, got everything unpackaged. Everything nice. Even got this nice little on-off master switch. Everything feels stout. Only thing I wish it didn't have this right here. I'm gonna go see if I can do a little cut on that. It even comes with these, y'all. Square nuts. Now I gotta go put this thing on a trailer, drill some holes. I'm gonna put me a piece of paper right there so I can match them up. Or I'm gonna use this cardboard and bust them. Using my can cut 1/2-inch drill bits with the little stepper. I just traced out on construction paper with my fingers where I need to drill these holes. Let me do a center punch. I'm gonna drill a hole. Then I'm gonna use my 16mm socket and ratchet, run them screws or bolts and whatever y'all want to call them. What's what?
Those things. You see them?
Them dirty things? That's called drilled holes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bye.
Boy, them can cut bits. Can't mess with them. I bust that in 2 seconds. All right, y'all, got the winch and the rollers installed, looking good. Started to rain on me, so I think this is where I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off as far as the winch install, because I gotta come do electronics and I don't want to do that in the rain. So let me go ahead and move on in the garage and I'll finish this up with ya. All right, picked up all my tools. Let me give y'all one little once over of this thing and then we'll call this video a wrap. Came with a toolbox, winch plate. She's got some nice D-rings right there. Chain hooks. Nice little grip step right there. Spare tire. Full size 6-lug unit. So this thing got two 6,000-pound axles, 12,000-pound capacity. 20-foot flat with a 2-foot dove. With these little side jacks. In case I keep something on it, I could stabilize it. LED tail lights. pull our ramps out the back. Only thing, I think I'm gonna build some longer ramps and or buy some aluminum ones. Ramps are a little short for my liking, especially trying to lower a lower car. I don't know. But I'm gonna go around and look online for some aluminum ramps. Hey, if y'all know anybody or can think of a company offhand, go ahead and drop them in the comment section for me. I appreciate it. Yeah, so got the winch installed, got the rollers. That's the hardest part. I'm gonna save doing all the electrical work, mounting all that. I want to mount all that in that box and put me a battery in there with a little solar panel, just so I can keep that at all times. But yeah, y'all, appreciate y'all watching this little trailer video. Hopefully y'all got a good little day today. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. All right. Got to get back on this El Camino. Later.